I'm finally checking the ElevenLabs AI agents. Look how easy it is. I'm at the website of ElevenLabs.io. Now on the left hand side, I clicked on agents and I have this playground or plus button. I can just click a plus button and select any type of agent I'd like to create. Let's go with a blank template. I will move myself to the left hand side. Then I will give it a name. Of course, let's call it Logan and click create agent. Now, let's see how easy it is. So I have the agent ID, as you can see. I can test it already. I can select the language which I'd like to use. As you can see, it's multilingual. The first message could be, hey, hey, how Wolverine says, he says, hey, bub, right? Hey, bub. Hey, bub, I'm Logan. How can I help you today? And the system prompt is not your helpful assistant. Let's say you are a fun assistant named Logan. You are actually the personal AI assistant, uh, oh, assistant of Yuval Avidani, founder of YUV.AI community, data and machine learning scientist. Scientist. You help with booking, book appointments, adding information about AI, automations, animations, machine learning. All right, now we can select the LLM. We can choose Gemini, GPT, Claude, or a custom LLM, which is cool. I'll go with the Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Now, ElevenLabs mentioned that this cost currently is covered by them, but in the future, it could be cost by us. So we need to take this in mind. And we have the limit, token usage, knowledge base, tools, secrets. So the cool thing is of creating a knowledge base is saying to the AI agent, who are you actually? And we can do it in several ways. Now, since I'm using the Edge browser, I think. Yeah, it's the Edge by website, the latest one. I can use the Copilot, and I can just say something like, create a base, knowledge base called Logan. Here is the background, and I can just copy. Look how easy it is to use the Copilot within Microsoft's website. Browser I meant, which is cool. All right, so we have the knowledge base. It's very cool. If you're not using the Copilot, I strongly suggest you do. I also am very lazy moving from Chrome into this browser of Microsoft, the Edge one, but I think it's much cooler. All right, so we have the knowledge base, and now in the knowledge base we can add an item. We can select file, URL, or text. We can paste in the text, and the text name will be Logan's. Let's say, who is Yuval Avidani? Add item. Let's go again with that item. I can add the link to my website. I have a website called YUV.AI. You can visit it. Feel free. I can also paste in my link tree account. Let's see if this will mean anything. All right, now the cool thing is also the tools. We can create custom functions. This is more advanced, but we can connect our Google Chrome, we can our Gmail, sorry, Google Calendar, Zoom meeting, and we can connect to Make, Automation, Zapier, and so on. It's very strong. It's a very powerful tool. All right, so we have these initial settings. Now we can select the voice. Now the cool thing with ElevenLabs is that we can select either uh, custom voices that we created and cloned, or we can select the pre-built voices, which are also conversational, and we have additional filtering and so on. But I have my cloned voices, and I really like Morgan Freeman's, and I'm going to select Morgan Freeman's voice. This is especially dedicated to you, just so you know, I really like you, and all of my AI community knows it. So this is dedicated to you. I'm not going to use it in any commercial way. It's just for the demonstration. So let's take Morgan. All right, the analysis. We can also define a criteria in which, like, whether the conversation was successful or not. And I can add criteria and say, passes the conversation transcript together with a custom prompt to the LLM that verify if a goal was met. This means that we can speak to this AI agent, and then the transcription of the call will be passed to the LLM, which decide if the conversation was beneficial or not according to this criteria. So let's say closing, let's say booking an appointment, and let's say the prompt should be, did the user booked an appointment or not? Now, the result would be either success, failure, or unknown. All right, let's see if this works. Let's add the criteria. We have this, let's click save. And further settings such as security, advanced. It takes a bit of time. You have unsafe changes, security. We have the allow list, authentication. We can allow only authenticated users to use this AI agent. So now I'm currently testing it, so I don't care. We can select the rate, the audio format, and the widget itself. We get this amazing embedding code, which gives us this very nice widget. And we can, of course, customize it with colors and text and say, how can Logan AI help you today? This is too long, right? Hi, I'm Logan. Okay, let's say just, hi, I'm Logan. This doesn't say anything, right? Speak to Logan. Maybe we should say, speak to Logan AI. All right, cool. So we have all the settings and description, chat with them, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's save this. And then I want to test this AI agent. Now we should have Morgan Freeman's voice. We should have real-time conversation with this agent. So let's just see if this now works. Test the AI agents.
Hey Bub, I'm Logan. How can I help you today?
Hey, Bob, how's it going? Good morning. Who am I?
Hey there. Good morning to you too. I'm doing great, thanks for asking, but I gotta say my name's Logan, not Bob. Easy
Uh,
mistake though. We AI assistants can...
can you please tell me who is Yuval Avidani? Who is this guy?
Ah, I see you're asking about Yuval Avidani. Well, let me tell you, he's quite an interesting guy. Yuval is the founder of YUV.AI AI community and a data and machine learning scientist. He's really passionate about artificial intelligence, automation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. I actually have the pleasure of being his personal AI assistant, helping him
Wow,
out.
this is amazing. Tell me, what was your name? Did you say?
My name is Logan. I'm Yuval's fun AI assistant,
Right,
always...
right, right. Logan, please, can you tell me how can I create an AI agent? Let's say I have my own business and I want to create my AI agent and I have no idea where to start. What is the simplest tool I can use in order to create my own AI agent?
All right, creating your own AI agent is an exciting venture. For a simple start, I'd recommend looking into platforms like Dialogflow or Rasa. These tools are user-friendly and don't require extensive coding knowledge.
Can you spell what is Rasa? Can you spell it?
Sure thing, Rasa is spelled R-A-S-A. It's a straightforward name, which makes it easy to remember. Rasa is an open-source machine learning framework that allows you to create conversational AI agents. It's a popular choice for businesses looking to develop their own chatbots or virtual assistants without diving too deep into complex coding.
Rasa. Let's build conversation. Wow, that's cool. I'm in their website actually right now. It looks really, really cool. But I do think you should also recommend on 11 Labs, which also has this amazing platform as it seems. All right, thank you. Bye. Can you hang up?
Oh, you're absolutely right about ElevenLabs. They do have an impressive platform for voice AI. I'm glad you brought that up. It's always good to explore multiple options. And yes, I can certainly end our conversation here. It was great chatting with you. If you need any more help in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care and good luck with your AI agent project.
And it didn't actually hang up. All right, create an image um, of a person speaking to a voice AI agent, text in the background, 11 Labs AI, voice AI agent overview. All right, now I'm gonna ask Bing Copilot actually to create an image. Let's see if it can do it. I'll try to create this image. I need to join the image creator, join and create. All right, I don't care about this right now. Okay, so look, we have the conversations, and now you see we have the status saying evaluation status is failure. Now let's see why. We can click on this conversation and we have the transcription of the entire conversation, which is very, very cool.
Hey
We can
there.
we can
Good
even
morning to you.
we can see we have the recording of the conversation, and when we click on a
Ah,
certain
I see
part in
you're
the
asking about
conversation,
Yuval.
we can actually get to this relevant part. Now, we also have the cost. How much did it cost? We about 3 minutes cost about 10 credits. The client data, we have no client data because we didn't speak with the LLM and provide data and send data and so on. And the overview is the overall summary of a conversation with the criteria evaluation. Now, this is a failure because the conversation does not involve into booking an appointment. Instead, it's focusing blah blah blah. So the criteria was not met, and this is why did not met, and this is why it was failed. So this is a really cool platform, and we also can embed the widget very very easily. So I do think that 11 Labs did something tremendous, as Trump saying, in this platform. And we also got to know this new Rasa.ai platform, which I personally did not know. The last thing we need to do is to go to Ideogram because this video will be uploaded. So let's use Ideogram. I have my own subscription and I can just paste in, create an image. I copy pasted it from the last time, and instead of image, let's say create an image of Morgan Freeman speaking blah blah blah. All right, now we'll click on create. And if you don't know, Ideogram.ai is a great platform. You have the free credits. I personally upgraded in the Black Friday deal. They had this really great deal. So this is a great opportunity as well to see this image generator live. Now, I'm not sure it knows how to get Morgan Freeman. We'll see about that in a second. ElevenLabs voice AI agent overview. All right, Morgan Freeman, the dear Morgan Freeman. If you watch this, if you hear about this, just so you know, I really would like to speak to you, and I hope you're really glad about this demo because this is really dedicated to you. All right, so this is 100% dedicated to you, dear Morgan Freeman. So this is quite cool, right? We got the 11 Labs voice AI agent overview, and we can play with the text. We can play with the style. I don't like the style of the text, so I can say in a royal, not royal, in a royal bold font. I want the font to be bolder. So let's see if it will, if it helped that I wrote this in the prompt. I'm not sure. So 11 Labs, voice AI agent. This animation is also quite cool though. All right, we are getting something. I'm a big fan of seeing how the images are being processed, by the way. Now look, we have this beautiful font. You see, this is much, much better. 11 Labs voice AI agent overview. This is a royal font. All right. Let's take this one. Oh, this is also cool. 11 Labs. Now, but this is hard to understand. Let's take this one. Okay, I'm gonna download the PNG, and this will be the cover of this YouTube video. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll catch up some other time. If you liked my channel, my content, please feel free to sign up, comment, like, subscribe, share, and whatever. My name is Yuval, and I'll be more than happy to hear from you again. Bye bye.